We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Good morning, dear friends. Today in basic civil engineering subject, we are going to deal with a very important topic from the module number 4, that is chapter angular measurement, and the topic is conversion of bearing from one system to another system. There are basically 2 systems of bearing exist. One is the WCB system. It is known as the whole circle bearing system, and second is the quadrantal bearing system, which is similar to the reduced bearing system. So we are dealing with the WCB and RB system basically here for this conversion point of view. We are showing in the slide WCB system. In WCB system, we have to see that at North Pole we are having 0 degree, East Pole we are having 90 degree, South Pole we are having 180 degree, and West Pole we are having 270 degree. First quarter means 0 to 90 degree, second quarter means 90 to 180 degree, third quarter means 180 degree to 270 degree, and fourth quarter means 270 degree to 90 degree. Let us take one example. If your survey line is in quarter number 1, you can see here, this is my survey line, suppose OA, which is located in quarter number 1. Now, what is the rule of WCB system? You have to measure the bearing. Again, I am telling bearing means horizontal angle between the survey line and north. So in case of WCB system, one has to measure the bearing of any survey line with respect to north only. This is your north 0 degree. So with respect to north and in clockwise direction, you have to measure the bearing of this survey line, which is located in quarter number 1 between 0 to 90 degree. So theta 1 will become the bearing of this survey line. Similar, if your survey line is quarter number 2 with respect to north in clockwise direction, theta 2 is the bearing of this survey line. Suppose your survey line is in quarter number 3, so with respect to north in clockwise direction, that is theta 3 is the bearing of this survey line, whole circle bearing of this survey line. And suppose your line is in quarter number 4, so with respect to north and in clockwise direction up to your survey line, theta 4 is the whole circle bearing of this survey line OD. Now next one is the reduced bearing system. This is the format of the reduced bearing system. North pole 0 degree, South pole 0 degree, East pole 90 degree, West pole 90 degree. So here my first quarter is 0 to 90 degree, second quarter is again 0 to 90 degree, third quarter is again 0 to 90 degree, and fourth quarter is again 0 to 90 degree. Rule in RB system is that we have to measure the bearing of our survey line either with respect to north or with respect to south. If your survey line is quarter number 1 and quarter number 4, you have to measure the bearing of your survey line with respect to north only. If your survey line is in quarter number 2 or in quarter number 3, you have to measure the bearing of your survey line with respect to south only. In quarter number 1, you have to measure the bearing of your survey line with respect to north and in clockwise direction. That is theta 1 is the bearing of survey line OA in reduced bearing system. And if your survey line is in quarter number 4, you have to measure the bearing of your survey line with respect to north in anti-clockwise direction, that is theta 1. Suppose your line is in quarter number 2, so you have to measure the bearing with respect to south pole in anti-clockwise direction. If your survey line is in quarter number 3, you have to measure the bearing of your survey line with respect to north and in clockwise direction. So these are the fundamental things that you require to understand before the conversion of the bearing. Now this is the one table which shows the rule from the conversion of bearing from WCB system to RB system and RB system to WCB system. You can see here there are 4 columns. Column 1 indicates the range of the whole circle bearing. Column 2 indicates the quarter. Column 3 indicates the rule for the particular quarter, and column 4 itself indicates the quarter for the respective whole circle bearing that is given for solution. Now let us consider the first row. In first row, value of WCB is between 0 to 90 degree, means your survey line is in quarter number 1 and rule is RB is equal to WCB, means value of WCB is given, that becomes the value of RB, and if the value of RB is given, same will become the value of WCB for the quarter number 1. And the direction of the quarter number 1 is northeast. So in reduced bearing system, these directions are very important. We have to show the directions with the angles. Suppose value of WCB is between 90 to 180 degree. Your line is in quarter number 2. And rule is RB is equal to 180 degree minus WCB. And the direction is southeast. Suppose value of WCB is 180 degree to 270 degree, means quarter number 3. Rule is RB is equal to WCB minus 180 degree, and the quarter is southwest. Value of WCB between 270 degree and 360 degree, means quarter number 4, and rule is RB is equal to 360 degree minus WCB, and the direction is northwest. Now let us see the example. WCB of a line is given 40 degree. Find the value of reduced bearing of this particular line. Now value of WCB is 40 degree, means you can see one table is given here. 40 degree means value of WCB lies between 0 to 90 degree, means your line is in quarter number 1. So rule is RB is equal to WCB. This quarter is only required to be used during the showing of RB system. So here apply the rule RB is equal to WCB. Second point at the below of the slide, RB is equal to WCB is the rule. Put the value of WCB is equal to 40, so RB is equal to WCB. This is not the complete answer, because in RB system you have to also show the direction of the survey line. So 40 degree means first quarter, that is northeast. So you have to write in this way, RB is equal to north, value of angle, value of RB in 40 degree, and at the end east. Second example, WCB of a line is given 140 degree. Find the value of RB of this particular line. Here WCB is given 140, means value of WCB is between 90 degree to 180 degree, means line is in quarter number 2. Rule for the quarter number 2 is RB is equal to 180 degree minus WCB. So apply the rule RB is equal to 180 degree minus WCB. So 180 degree minus 140 degree. So RB is equal to 40 degree. That is not the complete answer. Your line is in quarter number 2. So in quarter number 2, quarter is designated as southeast quarter. So RB is equal to south, 40 degree, value of bearing east. In this way, if your survey line is in quarter number 3 or quarter number 4, you have to use the respective rule and you have to designate the value of RB with the direction of that particular quarter. Now let us see the reverse case. If the value of RB is given and you want to convert it to the WCB. So let us say RB is equal to north 40 degree east. Find the value of WCB for this particular value of RB. So northeast means you have to concentrate on the quarter. Northeast means quarter number 1 as per the table that we have discussed previously. So rule is RB is equal to WCB. Apply same rule, RB is equal to WCB. So value of RB is given 40 degree here. Northeast means it is the quarter. This is the direction of the survey line. We have to use only value, that is 40 degree. So 40 degree is equal to WCB is the final answer. Now next case, here value of RB is given south 40 degree east. From the figure you can see here, this is the value of reduced bearing and we have to find the bearing for this survey line. We have to find the value of WCB. RB is given, again I am repeating, RB is given south towards east 40 degree. So south 40 degree east is the RB of this survey line. We have to find the WCB of this survey line. So southeast means second quarter. Second quarter means you have to use this rule. RB is equal to 180 degree minus WCB. So RB is 40 degrees. So 40 degree is equal to 180 degree minus WCB. Take the WCB from right hand to left hand side. So it will become plus. WCB is equal to 180 degree minus 40 degree from left hand to right hand. It will become minus. So 180 degree minus 40 degree, that is equal to 140 degree is the answer. Now conversion of the forebearing and back bearing. So what is the relation between forebearing and back bearing? So there is one equation, most important equations that you have to remember. Back bearing is equal to forebearing plus or minus 180. So plus sign is used when the value of forebearing is less than 180 degree, and you have to use the minus sign in this equation when the value of forebearing is greater than 180 degree. Now let us see the example of this forebearing and back bearing. If forebearing of a line is given 60 degree, find the value of back bearing of the line AB. Relation between forebearing and back bearing is, back bearing in short it is known as BB, and forebearing in short it is known as FB. So BB is equal to FB plus or minus 180. So back bearing is equal to 60 degree. Here value of forebearing is given 60 degree, which is less than 180 degree. So we have to apply plus sign. So 60 degree plus 180 degree, that is equal to 240 degree is the back bearing of the line AB. And let us take the second example. If the value of forebearing of the line AB is given 200 degree, find the value of back bearing of the line AB. So relation is back bearing is equal to forebearing plus or minus 180. Back bearing is equal to 200 degree minus 180 degree, that is equal to 20 degree is the answer. Here we have applied the minus sign because the value of forebearing that is given is more than 180 degree. So we have to apply the minus sign. So hope you have enjoyed the lecture, enjoy the session, and you will practice the examples that is given to you for the solution purpose. Thank you very much.